In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an agenda in OneNote. This process can help streamline your meetings and keep everyone organized. Let's dive into the steps. First, open OneNote. You will see a familiar interface with sections and pages on the left side. This is where you can manage your notes effectively. If you are using the desktop app, you have access to all features, including templates. Once the application is open, you will be ready to create your meeting agenda. This step is crucial because it sets the foundation for everything that follows. Next, create or open a page where you want your agenda. You can do this by selecting an existing page or clicking on the Add Page button. A blank page will open up, ready for you to input your information. It's important to choose a page that's relevant to your meeting context. This ensures that your notes are organized and easy to find later. Now, go to the Insert menu and select Page Templates. You will see a variety of options available for different purposes. This feature allows you to save time by using pre-designed layouts. With templates, you can focus more on the content rather than formatting. Under the business category, choose a template such as Simple Meeting Notes, Informal Meeting Notes, or Formal Meeting Notes. Each of these templates is tailored for different types of meetings. Selecting the appropriate template helps you align your agenda with the meeting's tone and purpose. After making your choice, the template will populate the page with placeholder text. Replace the placeholder text with your meeting information. You will want to include the title, agenda items, and action items. This is where you personalize the template to suit your specific needs. Filling in this information ensures that everyone is on the same page regarding what will be discussed. Now, let's explore another method, creating your own agenda from scratch. Start by creating a new page in OneNote. This gives you complete freedom to design your agenda exactly how you want it. You can make it simple or detailed depending on the meeting requirements. Next, add a meeting title at the top of the page. This title will serve as the primary reference for the meeting. It's essential because it helps participants quickly identify the purpose of the agenda. Following the title, include headings such as date and time, location, attendees, objectives, agenda, discussion notes, action items, and next meeting. Structuring your agenda like this makes it easy to follow and ensures that critical information is not overlooked. You can use bullets, numbered lists, or checkboxes to organize each topic. This helps in making the agenda visually clear and easy to navigate during the meeting. Organizing information in this way aids in keeping discussions focused and productive. Finally, if you find yourself using the same agenda format repeatedly, consider saving it as a template. Start by creating and formatting your agenda page. Once you are satisfied with the layout, go to Insert and select Page Templates once again. At the bottom of the Templates pane, click on Save Current Page as a template. This action allows you to reuse your format without having to recreate it each time. Give the template a name that makes it easily identifiable. This way, you can quickly find it when starting new agendas in the future. Optionally, you can select Set as Default Template for new pages in the current section. This feature is incredibly convenient as it streamlines the process of setting up future meetings. With this, you will always have a consistent format at your fingertips. Now you are ready to create agendas in OneNote like a pro. Thank you for watching.